Okay. Good to get an opponent before playing the first move. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, let's have a look at that guy. Has he been winning all his games? What's his history like? It's won in the last 3. I was doing so well. Let's examine this. Oh, a downwinder. Okay, 2-1-4-2. Sicilian. Dragon again. Okay, so bishop e3 and bishop c4 system to stop d5. He's played d6, so maybe this isn't going to be as totally disastrous as the other one. Is it going to be a knight e4? Oh no, what? Have I got, well, just BC here maybe, just to keep the queen on. Okay. So I want to play bishop h6 and maybe knight f5. Maybe knight f5. Just get the g file. Friendly knight e7 mate actually. So if he takes, I get a g file attack, I hope. Oh, interesting. So queen g2, I'm on fg and queen g6. There's queen c3, I'm going to get mated on over there. Interesting. Is there a check here? Knight e4. Check here. There's, fg. Well, fg here threatens. It's a bit sharp. Fg queen c3 takes his mate, so I think I'll just take here for a sec. Oh, hang on. There's queen a3 check. Oh dear. So I'm getting stuffed. There's bishop f7, fg, king e8, no, fg, queen a3, king a1. What can defend this position? So there's a threat of queen a3 and knight c3. What about rook d3? Queen a3, king b1, knight c3, rook c3, bishop c3, bishop c1. Oh, bishop c1. Rook d3, knight c3, queen a3, knight c3. I think I'll try rook d3 because queen a3, king b1, knight c3, rook c3, bishop c3, bishop c1. Okay, so rook d3. Well, there's knight c3 here. That's a problem. Rook c3, queen c3 threatens queen a1 mate because the knight on f3 is unfortunately. There's king d1 there. King d1 doesn't look too pleasant. So knight c3, Actually, knight c3 is also dangerous. Queen f3, and that's king d2, queen a3, king d2. So knight c3, queen f3, queen a3, king d2. Okay, so queen a3. What about king d1 there? Anyway, knight c3, bishop c3, queen f3. King d1 might actually be a safe move, forwarded by rook d3 here. Queen a3, king d1. Knight c3, bishop c3 is not threatening mate on b2 if my king's on d1. So fg, hg, queen g6, end of game. Actually, so king d1. Maybe this rook d3 is a brilliant move. Queen a3, king d1. Knight c3, rook c3, bishop c3. fg. Okay, can't see anything there. Bishop c3, fg, queen a3, king d1 again. There's a pattern of king d1 being quite good here. King d1 afforded by rook d3. So king d1. Trying to run for it. So knight c3 and take, and then fg. So my queen and bishop. Oh, okay. I'll buy some time, otherwise there's not too many other moves anyway. So fg, I'm hoping I'm not getting mated. Otherwise queen g6 looks pretty strong. Also g takes look pretty... He's resigned. Wow! I don't think I've ever beaten the dragon before in the main line. With someone that knows what he's doing. Blimey. First time for everything. So knight f5. And then key move here. It looks as though white's totally busted. But rook d3 actually vacates d1. Rendering this variation harmless. Comments or questions on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed that. I did. Thanks very much.